Hi! In front of me is Nokia C32 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Safety and Emergency. Following that, tap on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Contact. Now click on the one that you wish to set up. You can do exactly the same to all the other ones. In order to remove some of them, click on this X next to the chosen one that you wish to get rid of and select Remove in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!